Good morning, tribe. We are on to the next week of distance learning, and let me just share the screen and we will get started. So we are on to April 20th to the 24th, and you can see your core assignments for this week, as well as your encore. You will be meeting with me for social studies, as we have been on Tuesday and Thursday, and I will send you out a Zoom link on that day for 10:45 so that you can join me for our Zoom class meeting. So let me just take you right down to Tuesday. And hopefully this screencast will help guide you if you decide to do any work early. But your task for Tuesday, you've got two of them. We're wrapping up our study of Canada with a province and territory quiz. So last week you spent some time reviewing the provinces and territories of Canada. Now it's time to test your knowledge. This will be your final task for the Canada unit. When you feel like you're ready, you can click on our team link below and it will take you to the quiz. So you can see Team Monsoon is the one that you'll want, and you should attempt to score a 9 out of 13. That would be considered satisfactory, and you would want to retake that should you be below a 9. All right, so when you click into the Team Monsoon link, it will take you to logging in for Canvas and take you right to the quiz. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have numbers, and you're going to have to be able to identify by matching the number with the correct province or territory name that's given to you in the assessment. So you do not have to have them memorized as far as how to spell them, but you do need to know their locations, okay? The second task that we're doing on Tuesday is going to take you into our study for Latin America. So it's an introduction, and we will be starting our next unit on Latin America in the coming weeks. Today, you're just going to start with a brief introduction to this area of the world. You'll watch a video and describe the geography of Latin America. When you're finished, you'll click on the link for your team's Padlet to answer the question. So here's the link for the video. Here's the Padlet. So I already have those open for you as well. So here is the video on Latin America. And let's see, does it tell me? It looks like it's about 5.5 minutes long. After you watch the video, then you're gonna post your comment right into the Padlet. Make sure that you put your first and last name so that you get credit for completion of that task, okay? You also can check out the weekend wrap, any of them that you have not watched yet, because of course a new one comes up on Friday. So if you did not see Fridays from this past week, that's the one that you would want to check out. If you don't have time to do that on Tuesday, don't worry, because that will also be an additional resource for Thursday at the end of your classwork. So here you can see the weekend wrap, and that should be saved to your desktop on your iPad, because we use that regularly. Okay, so going down, then we'll transition to Thursday, so that I'm giving you the explanation and where to find things so that you're good to go if you would like to work ahead. So by Thursday, we're into Latin America. So we're going to begin a map challenge, and map challenge number 1. If you remember, we've done our map challenges before. this school year for a variety of things. So welcome back to the map challenges. Today you're going to, or Thursday I should say, begin learning some of the physical features found in Latin America. So you'll click on the presentation below. It will ask you to make a copy for yourself. Once you've done that, read the instructions carefully and complete your task. So it's very, very important that you make your own copy so that you'll be able to work in it, because you can't work in the shared copy. So you're going to make your copy, and then you're going to carefully complete the task. So satisfactory is, again, going to get you, you have to score at least 9 out of the 12 physical features. So when I take you up here, you can see map challenge 1, and then it gives you the directions. Use this physical feature map, and it's a hyperlink here that you can click into to correctly label some of the important physical features of Latin America. You'll drag the name of the physical feature to the correct spot on the map. When you're finished, take a screenshot of your map, and then you're going to upload that to your Team Canvas page. And then again, that's where we're looking for you to have at least 9 out of the 12 features accurate. If not, go back and redo it again. And here you can see, whoops, here you can see how you would be, dragging them over, okay? And then it shows you the team page where you would click into to post your screenshot to get credit, okay? All right, and then that brings us to task number 2, which is a physical feature Nearpod. Now that you know the locations of the physical features for Latin America, it's time to learn some more about them. Remember to use your first and last name again so that I can give you credit. Go through each slide on the Nearpod to complete your task. And again, you'll click on the Team Monsoon link, and once you do, it'll ask you to put your name in, and once you're in, it will take you through the Nearpod and identify some of the physical features, tracing the Rio Grande, doing a virtual, experience. You can turn around and see the different areas. Finding the Mexican plateau, and then looking at some of those things. So again, I'm not going to go through the whole Nearpod, but it's interactive, and you'll be able to take a deeper look at those physical features. Okay, so that's the final task for Thursday. Again, if you hadn't checked out the weekend wrap, then please watch that. And that's it for your assignments for social studies for this week. Again, I'll meet with you on Tuesday and Thursday for a Zoom meeting. And on Friday, we'll be pushing out some information again for a team activity. So I hope that you are learning a lot, that you're enjoying the distant learning activities that we have for you. And certainly as you're working through any of it, don't hesitate to reach out and ask any questions that you might have over the course of your work, over the course of your week, because I'm here to help you. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you at our Zoom meetings. Do you want to say goodbye, you? Come here. Say goodbye to the kids. Have a good day. Do your schoolwork.